That's a wind-blown sigh right there. We are getting rocked by a wind. Now this wind is coming across this rocky point. It's shifting a little bit, but we've been basically positioned here with, what, an hour and a half now?
At least.
And just, I mean, they're not gangbusters, but we're getting a lot of fish right like that, and maybe just a little bigger, a little smaller tubes. I think the rocks are holding them here because the crawdads are here and there is some grass, you know, but this wind is coming across this point and they are all around these rocks. Now they're not real shallow. We're getting them anywhere from 5 to 8 feet deep. And that one's slapping his fin at us. It is a very difficult task holding the boat so that we can fish here.
We're actually kind of lucky. It's about 20-mile-per-hour winds, and we've got some blockages here. These other little points that shoot out are kind of chopping the wind up for us a little bit.
And we had to go with heavier. We had to go with a slightly heavier head on our tubes, and it's down in the grass 3/4 of the time. But when it's not, it seems like it's got a shot at picking a smallmouth. Now we started out catching cookie cutter 12 to 14 inches, but the last few have been better ones. So hopefully that's a sign that the light's coming down and some bigger fish might move out of the grass and start to eat here.